Primus Apex is state-of-the-art and offers numerous easy-to-use features that are well integrated into the cockpit. The layout includes 4 high-resolution LCD displays, 2 primary flight displays with track-centered synthetic vision, 1 situational multifunctional display including iNav with vertical situation display, and 1 systems multifunctional display optimized for ease of use to maximize head-up aircraft operation. Apex offers multiple ways to interact with the system. The different methods for controlling the system are intentionally redundant. Pilots can use the hardware most convenient at the time or what they're most comfortable with. The cursor control device, or CCD, is the primary way to interface with displays. The CCD has a trackball that controls the cursor and various buttons that make navigating and making display selections much easier. Another option is the alphanumeric keypad system with joystick. Bezel buttons located on displays can be used to make corresponding selections. Honeywell's SmartView synthetic vision system presents a natural and intuitive 3-dimensional terrain display on the primary flight display that complements lateral and vertical situational views by synthesizing key flight information for the pilot and delivering it in an easy-to-understand way. SmartView starts with the traditional primary flight display function and builds upon it by using Honeywell's eGPWS terrain database to create a synthetic terrain background. It then adds advanced HUD symbology to the display, providing accurate guidance and energy management information, greatly improving the pilot's situational awareness. SmartView's track-centered synthetic vision display keeps the flight path symbol in the center of the display. It also keeps the synthetic image centered along the aircraft's track and allows the heading symbol to move left or right as wind conditions change. In SmartView's flight path mode, the primary symbol for control of the aircraft is the flight path symbol. The flight path symbol, in combination with the acceleration chevron and dynamic speed bug, provide critical energy management information to the pilot. The acceleration chevron allows the pilot to make power adjustments to control airspeed for a given flight path angle. The dynamic speed bug can be used to provide a safe approach speed in all configurations without the need to calculate the correct speed according to the aircraft's weight. Now that you have an understanding of the Primus Apex flight management system, let's dive deeper into Apex. Some pilots are apprehensive about using a full flight management system because they believe it's hard to use. Not so with Primus Apex. Let's load a flight plan to see just how easy it is. As we go through the example, notice that pilots do not need to work through complex menus. The area highlighted with blue outline is our focus window, which contains icons representing the various phases of flight. So let's begin. The flight management system already has our current location, Denver's Metro Airport. We'll type in KASE for Aspen and insert it into the flight plan. If we didn't have any other features to our flight plan, we'd hit Activate and we'd be ready to go. But let's add more information. Using the focus window on top left, add the departure runway 29 right. We'll fly the Rockies departure up to red table. The information is presented alphanumerically and it's easy to find. Click Insert, then Activate. The map on the multifunction window now displays our flight plan exactly before we use it. The system is now indicating the next function it wants to use to perform, our cruise altitude. Type in FL240, then we move to fuel and weight. The system knows the aircraft's operating weight. It takes the fuel out of the fuel system. We load in 2 passengers and 50 pounds of baggage. We didn't need to include this information, but by doing so, we'll have the benefit of additional performance data in our flight plan. The system has now computed these data. We have top of climb, top of descent, our destination, and the discontinuity, which allows us to add an approach. We can add an alternate by clicking the airport on ground icon, type the alternate, KRIL. The benefit of this is that we'll always have fuel remaining at our destination and at the alternate as well. The flight management system provides the estimated time en route and the fuel remaining at our destination and at the alternate as well. As you can see, the Pilatus PC-12 NG with Primus Apex offers a true full flight management system that is intuitive, easy to learn, and easy to use. Experience it today, and you won't want to fly any other cockpit.